upload a website to your GoDaddy domain, follow these steps. Log into GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy. Visit GoDaddy and log into your account. Access your domain. In your account, click My Products and find your domain under Domains. Set up web hosting. Purchase hosting. If you haven't already, buy a hosting plan through GoDaddy. Access hosting account. Go to your web hosting section and select the hosting account linked to your domain. Upload your website files. Use File Manager. In the hosting control panel, open File Manager. Upload files. If you're using GoDaddy's cPanel, navigate to Public HTML. Click Upload and select the website files from your local computer. Ensure the main file is index.html or index.php. Point your domain to hosting. DNS settings. In your GoDaddy account, go to DNS Management. Update name servers. Set the name servers to the ones provided by your hosting provider. Test your website. After the DNS propagation, visit your domain to see the website live.